Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about recursion in Python, which is when a function calls itself. Is_palindrome is a recursive function, and you can recognize recursive functions because they have a base case and a recursive case. So the base case here is if length of s is less than 1, then return true. And what base cases are kind of your stopping point. So once this condition is satisfied, then it's going to return and it's going to be done. The else section is your recursive case. So what happens here is there's an if statement checking if the first character equals the last character. And if that's true, then it recurses on a string that excludes the first and last characters. So recursing with is_palindrome, you keep on reducing the size of the string that you pass in until you can make a decision as to whether it's true or false that it's a palindrome. So next I'm going to be talking about recursion with ints. Factorial is another recursive function, and it's called on an input of 3, and everything below kind of details how it works on an input of that size. So the first time it's run, it returns 6, and it recurses on n-1, which is 2. So factorial of 2 then returns 2, and recurses on n-1, which is 1. And then factorial 1 is called, and since n equals 1, it returns 1 and it stops. The base case is satisfied.